Today we're going to be making Pack World, people. Today we have all the colors right here that I need so bad. All in a jumble. I don't know why they're jumbled up. So we're going to be unjumbling them up. I got the yellow off, the pink off, the red off, and the blue off. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to make the ghost first. So here we are going to make Blinky. He's the red ghost. Move out this extra Play-Doh. Alright, here we go. And make a solid shape because that looks a lot like a ghost. Pinch out little feet parts. He's not ready yet, so give him some eyes. And we are done. I had to pinch off a little part. Yep, a little piece. So here we have a little ghost. And he's going to stay right there. Next is Pinky. She's hot. She's light pink, but I only have hot pink. So here's the mix. Ah. Again, you have to make a solid shape like Blinky. I'm making a solid shape. She's the shortest, I think. Because I think she's the youngest. Alright. And pinch out little sheep parts again. Here she is, but she needs some eyes. One eye for her, two eyes for her. Alright, Blinky, get ready to have a friend. Yay! Alright, we have our two ghosts right here. We're going to make the last ghost. He's going to have small eyes. If you know why that cloth is here, there must be a lot of dust in the air. So, again, you have to make a solid shape and make it good enough. And put on some eyes. They're going to be a little small, I'm not going to lie. And pinch out some little parts. Put them right here. And Pac-Man, now we're going to be making him. I'm rolling him up into a ball. And he's done. The ball part is done. We're going to make his mouth. Open up. Open up. No. And put his first eye. Where's his face? Here it is. He's looking good already. And here we have Pac-Man. And if you want more videos by McCoy with Play-Doh in them where I make stuff, and there's part 3 coming out on April the 2nd, 2021. So again, if you want more Play-Doh videos by McCoy, please subscribe. And if you like this video, bye everyone!